How to use Strapi. Follow the instruction. Install Node.js and npm or yarn on your computer. Run npx create Strapi app at latest my project quick start in the terminal. Wait for the setup to complete and open the admin panel at http://localhost 1337/admin. Create an admin account to access the dashboard. Go to the Content Type Builder section. Create a new collection type and add fields like title and content. Save the content type and let Strapi restart automatically. Go to the Content Manager and add new entries under your collection type. Go to Settings and allow public access to your content through permissions. Access your content through the API at http://localhost 1337/API/your content type. Thank you for watching.